To produce a professional 4K video showcasing the Yamaha TMAX 530DX scooter, begin with a stunning opening shot of the motorcycle, highlighting its premium, sporty design. The camera should glide over the bike's sleek bodywork and sharp lines, capturing the modern, urban aesthetic that makes the TMAX 530DX so visually appealing. As we move into closer shots, focus on the advanced digital dashboard, which offers cutting-edge technology at the rider's fingertips. Next, showcase the comfortable seat designed for long rides without fatigue, and then shift to the powerful twin-cylinder engine to underscore the scooter's high-performance capabilities. Transition to dynamic scenes of the TMAX 530DX cruising smoothly through city streets, demonstrating its agility in weaving through traffic and making sharp turns with ease. Follow up with shots of the scooter tackling winding roads, where its traction control system and adjustable windshield come into play, providing stability and comfort in diverse riding conditions. Interspersed with these action scenes, highlight features like the keyless start, which adds a layer of convenience and modernity for riders. To emphasize the bike's versatility, the video should alternate between crisp, static close-ups and fluid motion shots, all while maintaining a balance between excitement and the refined luxury of the scooter. The soundtrack should be clean and professional, with a calm yet energetic tone that complements the premium feel of the TMAX 530DX. The video's transitions should be seamless, ensuring a cohesive narrative that captivates the audience and effectively showcases the many attributes of the Yamaha TMAX 530DX.